Hello, hello, hello. Sorry. MichaelCohenPopCan.org. I got a box from Brazil. So I thought I would open that here on camera. I'm also playing around with a new gimbal that kind of tracks my movement on my phone on a little tripod. So we'll see how well that works out also. So, these are cans I bought from a friend. Like I said, from Brazil. So, let's start taking a look at them. So, of course, there's the tracking is going to stay on me, but I will try to have some of the Coca-Cola Avenger cans. These are the smaller cans. Got cool Sonic can. I think there's a small set of those. Yep, there's another one. Like I said, this is a big box. I got a lot of cans. Unfortunately, shipping, a lot of the places like Brazil, shipping to the United States is expensive. So it kind of makes sense to purchase a lot because it's basically the initial shipping cost that's expensive, and then as it gets bigger, it doesn't really get that much more. So it just makes sense to try to get as much as I can in one box. Cool Deadpool, She-Hulk, Thanos, Groot, Rocket, and of course Sonic, famous Avenger. Yeah, kind of like how that moves, kind of keeps up with me. Even though when I try to show the picture, it's trying to stay on me and not the can, but that's alright. Loki. Daredevil. That's recording. Wolverine. New movie out of theaters with Deadpool. And then, whoa. Really took off on me there. Kingpin, that's his name. Alright, next layer. Alright. Now we're getting into the regular size cans, the Marvel set. By the way, packing, he did a really good job. Of course, anything in these big styrofoam boxes seem to do a good job. But he also individually packed the cans, wrapped the cans so they don't scratch each other up. It's always good. Got Deadpool. A couple more of those. Marvel set. Got the Hulk. And Daredevil. And Iron Man. Got a little minor dent on that one. And then Elektra. And the quality on that print is not that great. It's really not the packing, but just the face of her. And it's really pixelated. Yeah, just that's all the cans. It's not just her, but I guess the can manufacturer down there don't have the best printers or slightly outdated one. You know, nothing against the tray or the cans. I'm collecting them anyway. It's just an observation. Oh yeah, the Pac-Man cans. Fans did a series of Pac-Man cans in a few different countries. Of course, these are all from Brazil that I've showed you so far. And I got a few more coming from other countries. So it's kind of a neat little thing. Fanta Halloween can. I believe, like I said, all these are from Brazil, as far as I know. Another Fanta Halloween can. Another Sonic. Alright, Sonic. So, pretty cool so far. I'm going to cut this video off right here, and I'm going to do a part 2 for the rest of the cans. I'm about halfway done. I'm already at about 6 minutes. So, Michael Cohen, pacman.org. This was the first part of me opening a box from Brazil. See you later.